Voices, everybody. We're on the air in 5 seconds. Ready, Joni?
Ready.
Okay, action!
Hi. How do you like our new optional sunroof? Just one of the many reasons Dodge Charger sales have soared over 40% this year. Why, no sooner do we get them in than... Oh, sir, you can't take that car.
Keep talking. Go to the Charger RT.
Do you realize that Charger RT beat all other 60 entries to become the Union Pure Oil Acceleration Champ?
I say, would you mind awfully?
Sir, come back with them. Joni, use the one over there. It's a white hat special.
Charger White Hat Special. Specially equipped at a special low price. Why, it'll save you more than any
Hey,
other...
ma'am, that's right pretty. Think I'll take it.
What?
Before they're all gone, better get your 69 Dodge Charger.
There it is. A sale so big, the competition will try any trick to find out how we do it.
Captain, it's competition. That's who we work for, you ding-dong.
It's the Dodge Coronet White Hat Special. Special features, special low price.
Man, that's a big jet.
Why, the Vitamin alone will sweep you right off your feet. Over here, a remote control mirror.
Got a Mac?
Get white sidewalls, special wheel covers, bumper guards front and rear.
Hey.
Quiet here.
Yeah, too quiet.
Dodge Coronet. So many savings, we can't cover everything. Coronet White Hat Special. See it at your Dodge dealers.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of my favorite albums is called The Genius of Ray Charles. Ray Charles is just that. He writes, he arranges, he plays, and he sings, and he does them all superbly. He won his first Grammy Award in 1960, and he's knocked off 6 more in as many years. He was one of the leaders of it all. Rock and roll, rhythm and blues, country and western, and soul. He sings it like it is, and you know he means it, and that's what grabs you. Here he is, Mr. Ray Charles. Well, Ray, you're really looking great.
I thank you, Bob. And may I say, you look pretty groovy yourself.
Yeah, but how can you say I look good?
With a clear conscience.
You know, Ray, nobody handles the song quite the way you do. You're absolutely unique.
Well, Bob, I do my own thing in my own way, and I hope the people like it. After all, I try for 100%, and I'm happy if I get 85. To me, integrity is more important than money.
Really? You may be a regular on this show.
Say, Bob, do you make records?
Oh, sure, they press thousands of them.
Really? Why aren't they in the record shops?
Well,
Where are they?
what do you think Chrysler's using for hubcaps? I understand you were a hit on television when you were only 17 years old.
Well, I was a novelty. Back in those days, that was Duke Ellington, Count Basie, and Nat King Cole. And I was the first of the commoners.
I know how you feel. The nearest I ever got to a crown was eating margarine.
You see, Bob, my trio sounded a lot like the late Nat King Cole's. But I knew if I was going to ever get anywhere, I'd have to develop my own style.
Oh, so you split from the group and developed your own bag.
Oh, you talk funny.
Ray, I hear you have your own plane. Is that right?
That's right.
Well, don't you like commercial airlines?
Yeah, but I'm tired of going to Cuba. You fly a lot, Bob. You know how it is.
Yeah, I sure do. There isn't a seat on United Airlines I haven't been under. What kind of a plane do you have?
I don't know.
Well, how many engines does it have?
See, Bob, Joe Adams handles all that sort of thing, and I just don't know about it too much.
Well, how many stewardesses do you have on board?
Oh, 17.
17 stewardesses? Isn't that kind of crowded?
Yeah, baby.
Ray Charles, ladies and gentlemen.
Every time I think about the bright lights, I think about you, girl. Hollywood, stardom, fame. Yeah, that's you, girl. Great success was your demand. You didn't want the average man. So every time I think about the bright lights, I'll think about you, girl. Mini skirts, pretty curls, pretty face. That's you, girl. Huh? Nighttime gigs with the Hollywood set. Yeah, that's you, girl. If you hit, you'll be number one. But if you miss, right back home you come. So every time I think about the bright lights, I'll think about you, girl. Don't depend on the wink of your eye. Little girl, I just won't get you by. No, but every time I think about them bright lights, I'll think about you, girl.